In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a refund from Canva in a straightforward and stress-free manner. Whether you've encountered an unexpected charge or simply changed your mind about a purchase, requesting a refund can sometimes feel a bit daunting, but don't worry, by the end of this video you'll know exactly what to do. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to access the Canva Help Center. It serves as the hub for addressing all your concerns, including refunds. Open your preferred web browser, type in the Canva website address, and then navigate to their help center. It's usually located at the bottom of their homepage, easy to spot and straightforward to navigate. Once you're there, you're well on your way to getting the assistance you need. The next step is to contact support. You'll find a contact support button in the help center. Clicking this button is crucial as it's your direct line to Canva's customer service team. They're the ones who will help process your refund request. It's important to make sure you click it. This is your next step towards resolving the issue. Now that you're in touch with support, you'll need to fill out the support request form. When filling out this form, select billing and payments as the topic. This ensures that your request goes to the right department and speeds up the process. Being clear and specific about your situation will also be beneficial, as it helps Canva's team understand the issue quickly and clearly. As you fill out the support form, be sure to include your Canva account email address, the date of the charge you'd like refunded, the amount of the charge, and a detailed explanation of why you're requesting a refund. These details are key. Providing this information up front will help Canva's team assess your request without needing back and forth communication, saving you precious time. Once you've filled out all the necessary information, it's time to submit your request. This is your formal plea for a refund and marks the official start of your request being processed. After submission, you'll want to keep an eye on your email for any response from Canva. After you've submitted your request, Canva's team will review it and assess your eligibility for a refund. Their criteria for refunds are pretty standard, but they're thorough in ensuring that they honor legitimate requests. So as long as you've provided all the necessary information and have a valid reason, you should feel optimistic about the outcome. And finally, if your refund request is approved, Canva will process it, usually returning the amount to your bank. It's important to note that while the processing on Canva's end might be quick, it can take up to 90 days for the refund to reflect in your account. It's always a good idea to keep an eye on your bank statements during this time. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should have a smooth and successful experience in obtaining a refund from Canva. If you have any further questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video has been helpful.